Hi, this is Mason from Segmetrics, and today I'm going to show you how to create a reusable filter called a segment. Segmentation is one of the key strategies in marketing where you define a group of contacts by some property and then measure their value and performance over time. A segment can be as simple or complex as you want. The simplest type of segment would be all leads that come from Facebook, where a more complicated segment might be all the leads who viewed an ad and then later joined a specific campaign. Segmentation allows you to define segments that you want to reuse in multiple reports and quickly update them across all of your reports. Defining a segment is fairly straightforward. First, open up a report that you want to apply the segment to. Next, add the filters that you would like to include in the segment. Then, click the button Create Segment from Filters in the Filters box. And lastly, you'll enter the name of the segment and click OK. You can see that creating the segment combines all your filters together, and instead of two filters, we now have one called belongs to segment. This segment can now be used in any report that we make, and editing this segment will update it on all of the reports it's included in. Now that the segment is created, you can view it on the segment screen. You can also click on any segment to view which filters are included and update them. When you update a segment, any reports that use those segments will also be updated. This allows you to group together tags, products, or lead sources into a single filter that you can easily apply to any or all of your reports. Thanks very much for watching this video, and as always, let us know if you have any questions.